Alright, hello all you RD1 fans. Regarding all the flooding that occurs inside on the left hand side of the Honda CRV cars, that water I resolved on my car by simply taking off the rainwater cowel. Excuse me for this because I'm just parting this out, but what I'd done many years ago was I bent back this cowel with a hammer. I bent it back in such a way, in a fashion, that the water, when it filled up in here, when it fell down, it missed the cowel. So when the drips came down off this here, and it came vertically down, it didn't go inside into the air box. All right. So I done this fix around 10 years ago on the Honda CRV, and I never had any issues after doing it since. So you can see here around the bonnet hatch, there's an awful lot of gunk in here, an awful lot of crap that builds up in here, and that actually blocks the water, and the water begins to pool up here and then flow over. I know there's seals here, but these seals are weather, and you can see how weathered this is. Now, I literally just took this off today, this cowl off today, and you can see how weathered this is. So this does fill up, and the rainwater does come down through this old seal and down in here. Now do remember, just keep in mind that there's a little lip on the inside of this. It is this lip where the water raindrops will fall from. It's that lip that you should aim to be proud of this. All right, see how you go, guys. Best of luck. Enjoy.